Hello kids, welcome back to our e-class of general knowledge. In this section, we are going to discuss the next topics which is sky and the earth and meet my family. So, let's begin the chapter with me, your general knowledge teacher, Miss Pinky Moore. Today we will learn about sky and the earth, page number 24. Sky. What do you see in the sky? We can see in the sky are clouds, the sun, the moon, stars, raindrops, rainbow, airplanes, kites, and birds. Have you ever looked up towards the sky and wondered about the twinkling stars, the shining moon, and the bright hot sun? Let us learn about the heavenly bodies in the sky. We see sun, moon, and stars in the sky. These are together called heavenly bodies. The sun is dark too, and our earth is a planet, while the moon is a natural satellite. All heavenly bodies in space called universe. The sun. Sun is a big ball of fire. Life on earth depends on light and heat from the sun. Plants grow in sunlight, making food for animals. In absence of sun, the earth would always be a dark place. We should not look directly at the sun as its strong light could damage our eyes. Moon. The moon is a big round lump of rock that moves around the earth. It is the brightest thing we can see in the night sky. It does not produce its own light. We see the moon because it reflects light from the sun. As the moon moves, the sun lights up different parts of its surface. That is why the moon shape seems to be changing. The different moon shapes we see are phases of moon. We cannot see moon and stars in the daytime because bright light of the sun masks them. Stars. We see stars at night. Star has its own light. Stars shine all the time, but you mostly only see them at night. Stars do glow during the day, but we can't see them because of the glare of sunlight. They twinkle like tiny bulbs. We cannot count all the stars in the night sky. Rainbow. A rainbow is an arc of color which appears in the sky when the sun shines after the rainfall. Light and raindrops work together to create a rainbow. Rainbow contains a pattern of 7 colors, starts with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo and violet. Earth. The earth is the home of all living things. It is made up of land and water. Earth moves round and round on its axis. This causes day and night. The side of the earth facing the sun has day and the other darker side has night. Only our planet Earth support life. It is beautiful planet and it looks bluish because of ocean, brownish because of land, white because of cloud covering when seen from space. Now we will do an activity to understand the topic sky and the earth more effectively. Let's start the activity. Read the clues and complete the words. The dash is a big ball of fire. It gives us light and heat. Who gives us light and heat? Sun. S-U-N. Sun. Number 2. We see the dash at night. It has no light of its own. It gets light and heat from the sun. We see dash at night. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. Number 3. We see the dash at night. They twinkle like tiny bulbs. We cannot count them. We cannot count them. Yes, stars. S-T-A-R-S. Stars. Number 4. A dash has 7 colors. We can see it after the rains. Yes, rainbow. R-A-I-N-B-O-W. Rainbow. Number 5. The dash is the home of all living things. It is smaller than the sun but bigger than the moon. It is made up of land and water. Yes, earth. E-A-R-T-H. Earth. Let us now move to our next topic, which is meet my family. Page number 25. Family. First of all, you should know what is family. family is a group of people living together. We all live in a family. Family is the most important in our life because family provides love, protection, and guidance. Now, let's start the activity. Read the clues and see if you can guess who is who. 1. My father is wearing a yellow shirt. Father. Next, my mother is wearing a green kurta. She has a mobile phone in her hand. Mother. Next, my grandfather is wearing glasses. He is the head of our family. Grandfather. My grandmother is sitting next to him. Grandmother. My father's brother is wearing a blue t-shirt. He is my uncle. Uncle. My uncle's wife is wearing a red top. She is my aunt. Aunt. The boy in yellow shirt is my brother. Brother. The young girl in pink frock is my uncle's daughter. She is my cousin. Cousin. Thank you.